Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the uh, on page show event. So it occurs when the user navigate to that web page. Yeah, it is similar to the on load event, but it's navigation time because it can show up before the page is loaded. So in that way you can use that time to cache or you know load. So hope you guys understand. Now what I'm gonna do, this is in action. So now this is no different than the what we call on load event. Just I'm gonna change the name instead of that. So I mean the message I mean. So welcome, yeah, and just change the event to on page. So the moment page is shown, you can see it here, and it's a what we call it's saying welcome. So this is what page I mean the what we call on page shows say, I guess. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.